Profiting from content marketing platforms. Have you ever been reading something on a website and noticed content at the bottom of the article containing links to articles that you thought looked a lot different than what you are used to on that site? Then, out of curiosity, you decided to click on the links and got redirected to an article on a different website. This new trend is called content marketing. It works a lot like paid advertising. But instead of serving ads for products, websites, or services to visitors of a website, they serve content from other websites. It is aiming to boost traffic to the website from where the content being promoted originates. It has become a great alternative for marketers because they can promote a website, a product, or a service straight through a piece of content. It is great for websites because they can promote their content on other websites with high traffic to attract people. What are some of the great benefits of content marketing for my viral website? Content marketing will generate more inbound traffic to your website. That's because content marketing responds to entertainment needs and not directly to commercial needs. That's the reason why it is preferred by 68% of consumers, and is the reason why it's especially good for viral websites and viral content. Content marketing increases engagement when the audiences are highly targeted because content promotion does not look like advertising, and highly targeted audiences respond very positively to it. Content marketing builds up natural link popularity when used on rich media websites or blogs, which means that it is perfect for viral websites just like yours. Content marketing also drives more sales and generates more leads. So when grouped along with paid advertising and affiliate offers on a viral website, the payouts increase. How does your viral website monetize content marketing? Much like with paid advertising, content marketing pays advertisers when content is clicked. Each time that visitor clicks on a piece of promoted content, the company owning the promoted content pays a royalty to the content advertiser. That means that you get paid every time visitors on your website see a piece of promoted content of their interest and they click on it. This should be motivation enough to get more traffic to your website, because content marketing can be your third monetization channel. How can you use content marketing on your viral website? To enable content marketing on your viral website, you'll have to sign up for a content marketing platform first. Content marketing platforms will be the ones providing you with the content to promote, much like AdSense provides you with ads to serve on your website. There are several content marketing platforms out there, but we recommend you sign up for either of these two based on prior user experience. Taboola. Taboola is a content marketing platform that uses content to drive business growth. It gets content on top publisher sites, providing a neat 82% lift in brand recognition. To participate in the Taboola content marketing program, fill in the sign-up form. Outbrain. Outbrain is another successful content marketing platform that helps content creators and publishers reach new audiences. It reaches over 557 million people a month and serves over 200 million recommendations in the same time span.